Hey y'all, welcome to Hippie Chick, where cooking, it's just a flick of the wrist. So let's get started. Thank you all so much for watching my channel. If you all are enjoying my videos, y'all please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell to be reminded of when I upload new videos. Okay, you guys, today we are making baked chicken with lemon and a mushroom sauce. And our ingredients are olive oil, lemons, 1/4 cup of butter, roughly 3 cups of mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, and I have a little bit more back here for just in case I need more, and then some parsley flakes. Okay, so I have my chicken back here. Let me bring it over. I have it in my colander. I don't want to get anything on the floor. Let me take it and put it in a bowl, y'all. I was just going to bring it on over here, but I'm going to put it in this bowl. I was going to go ahead and just drop it on in here, but I'm not going to do that. So what I have is, I'm going to use these chicken legs, okay? The recipe suggests chicken breast, but I don't have that. I told y'all I cook according to what I have. If it's something that is, really special or whatever, then I may try and go out to the store or wherever and get it. But a lot of times I have stuff in my freezer and stuff. So I have these chicken legs and it's just going to be just fine with it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some olive oil to this bowl with the chicken legs. And you guys, I have already cleaned my chicken. Okay. So I'm just drizzling it with that olive oil really nicely. And I'm just going to kind of stir it up and get that all mixed in real good. Now, you could have done the same thing, I guess, in your casserole pan, in your dish here. But I didn't want to do that. Just decided to do it like this. Okay, I got a little bit of this olive oil over here on my countertop. Let me get that. Okay, so I'm just coating the chicken nicely. Alright, you just want it coated on all sides. And I'm just making sure. Okay, now my recipe calls for just 1 lemon. And you are supposed to take half the side of the lemon and just kind of squeeze it all over your chicken. But I'm not going to do that. I told y'all I don't follow recipes word for word. So what I'm going to do, I am going to take some of this lemon juice that I have here. And I'm going to drizzle this over the chicken. Okay? So I'm just going to kind of mix it up again, y'all. Just to kind of make sure everything is mixed in nicely. So how is everybody doing today? Today is Sunday. And this is my Sunday meal that I'm preparing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with my hands because it's just going to make it so much easier, you guys. So, because I want to pull the skin down, y'all. Y'all know how the skin sometimes be pulled like this right here on your chicken, but I want the skin pulled down. Okay? And I'm just making sure all the sides and stuff are covered with the olive oil and this lemon juice. Y'all take a look at that. Y'all see that? Look how nice that looks. Okay. And this would definitely be good with, of course, your chicken breast. And I bet also the chicken thighs too, it would be good. So, but this is what I have. Oh yes, this is gonna be delicious, y'all. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. This is my last piece here. Okay, and I'll just lay that one that way. All right, let me wash my hands. All right, you guys. So at this point, what we're going to do, we're just going to put this in our oven. And I have my oven already preheated. It's on 400 degrees, okay? And I am going to put this in the oven. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, oh, oh. Can't forget my lemons, y'all. I had decided I didn't want to, you know, half of my lemon and squeeze the half on there. I decided to go ahead and put the, you know, the lemon juice that I have on the chicken and just slice the whole lemon and just put that on the chicken. It's what I decided to do. I have a seed in here. I don't want to hit the seed. I don't want to get that lemon juice in there. There we go. Okay. Alrighty, y'all. So what we're going to do is just bake this in the oven, y'all. We're going to get this cooked. And you just bake it like you're baking chicken. I'm going to put, I got it on 400 degrees. And I am going to possibly cook this about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay? Alright, you guys, let me put my timer on for just in case I get busy. I'm gonna check it right at 40 minutes, okay? Alright, so you guys, what I'll do is I'll go off and I'll start getting my items ready to make up this sauce that's gonna go over the chicken, okay? I'll see you guys back in a little bit. Hey you guys, I am back. Okay. I have checked on my chicken here and the chicken is not done yet, and so I'm going to go ahead and let it continue to cook. It looks like it's going to be probably around that hour mark, which is what I was thinking anyway, but I like to play it safe and go 45 minutes to an hour, and I'll just kind of keep a check on it. Okay, so we're going to get started on our mushroom sauce, okay you guys? And I already have my skillet on here, okay? And so at this point I am going to go ahead and add in the butter, and you want this like on medium temperature. And I like to add in a little bit of olive oil, y'all. My recipe does not call for the olive oil, so if you don't want to do the olive oil, don't do it, okay? But I just love the flavor, you know, that olive oil gives. Okay, I'm just going to let this kind of melt down a little bit more, and I'm going to add in these beautiful, beautiful mushrooms. Now, I have washed these mushrooms and dried them. These are sliced mushrooms. They are fresh mushrooms. So, okay, this is what I want. Okay, my butter here is melted down, you guys. Maybe I should bring in the camera. Let me bring in the camera a little bit. Let's see if I can move it, y'all. You won't probably be able to see me, but that's okay, because I just kind of want you to be able to see what I'm doing. Well, that's zoomed out as far. Okay, I gotta get back over here, y'all, because I don't want my butter to burn. Okay, so I got my butter in here and the olive oil. So, I'm going to just make sure that you guys can see. It's a little bit better, but probably not as best as I would like, y'all. I tell you, you know, when you don't have anybody helping you, you know, it's a little bit more difficult and time consuming, but that's okay, because we make things work. You gotta sometimes get in here and do what you gotta do, y'all. You gotta do what you gotta do. And so I'm just gonna cook these mushrooms down a little bit, y'all. Just to kind of get them to turn brown. I probably can turn my heat up just a little bit more. I have it on 5, so now I put it between 5 and 7, which is maybe about 6. And you're just going to basically just kind of keep stirring it and get it, you know, covered in those good butter and olive oil, y'all. It's heating up nicely. I tell you what, this is going to be delicious, y'all. I am actually having this with the cabbage casserole that I prepared earlier. So my husband's really excited about it. Now my daughter, she looked at it and she was like, ew, because she saw the lemons and stuff that was on the chicken. And I'm like, girl, stop. The way she be eating sour stuff. She always liking the sour candies and different things like that. Once she tastes it, she'll realize that it's good. She gonna pick off these mushrooms, I can tell you that now. She won't even try them, so she don't even know if she like them or not. But I love mushrooms. Especially, have you had mushrooms with your eggs? Those are so delicious to me. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep doing this until all of that kind of evaporates, that liquid there, y'all. I'm gonna just keep doing this. Got a little piece there in the stove there, on that burner. Okay, I'm just gonna look at my camera here, y'all. Just want to kind of see what you guys are seeing, make sure. Okay, that might be better. I kind of angled my camera down. Okay. And I'm just going in, y'all. I'm just going to keep stirring this. I'm going to go over here and take a look at the chicken, y'all. Chicken is looking good, smelling delicious. Delicious. Looking for a trivet so that when that chicken comes out, I'll have something to put it on. You gotta always prepare a place for your items that you're cooking. Like when you're done and you have to take it off your stove top, off your burner, or out of the oven, you gotta have a place prepared already on your countertop for it. Because if your hands are full and you know you need a place to put it and you can't drop it, you can't let it go, so you have to be able to prepare a place before your item comes out of the oven or off the stove top. Ooh, these mushrooms are looking good, y'all. Look at that. I'm just gonna keep on Just keep moving these on around and getting them good and coated and get them cooked down really nicely. I want to get that up off this off this stove. It's bothering me. Okay, little piece of mushroom there. All right, y'all, look at this. Oh yeah, we're cooking now, y'all. We are in business. This is what I'm talking about, y'all. Don't these look good? I tell you what, I bet some of that, like a red wine or something, that vinegar might be good. That red wine vinegar, just a hint. Not a lot, just a little hint. I bet that would be good over in here too. I'm not going to use that today, but I just like to always, you know, have options and stuff and change stuff up, because, you know, you kind of get gorged out on certain things, you know, but when you change your items up, you know, they're always kind of tasting different. I'm just turning this on up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and get that ready for this flour here. I think I did a good thing when I brought this camera in, y'all. So I hope you guys are able to get a nice view. Y'all, I'm looking at my chicken over here. My lemons and stuff is like brown on the ends, on the edges of it. I don't like that because then it looks like it's burnt. But the chicken not quite done yet. Ooh, y'all. Don't this look delicious? Oh wow, this is going to be so good. And basically, so once you finish with this, making this up, this mushroom sauce up, you guys, you're going to spoon it over your chicken. Is what you're going to do. All right, that's what I want. You see how that's gone? A lot of that oil, that juice is gone. The oil and that butter. That's what I want. I'm gonna let it stay a little bit longer, so you get the remainder of that out of there. Check this chicken. Yeah, y'all, when you're in the kitchen and stuff, you got to be able to multitask. You got to be going back and forth, doing this and that. You can't just stay focused on one thing. I was just thinking how I remember, I'll tell you a minute, hold on. Just checking on my camera, but I remember not too long ago, I had my daughter in here. What was she cooking? I forgot what it was she was making, but it was more than one thing I had her doing. So she had to kind of, you know, go back and forth, and she was like, oh my gosh, she was struggling, you know. But I let her struggle because she needs to understand that, you know, you just can't focus on one thing. You got to get, you know, be going back and forth. But it was so funny to watch her do that. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go in here with this flour. And I just want to get these nice and coated. Is what I want to do. Get everything nice and coated. I better turn it back down, y'all. Nice and coated is what I want. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with my chicken broth. And at this point, y'all, I am going to pour in this. I'm going to pour in all that I have here because I do have more, y'all, just in case it's needed. And that's my timer for the chicken, y'all. Y'all see how it's thickening up like that? So I do have some more of this broth here. Uh-oh. That I'm going to add in here. And you basically is going to let this simmer down. You know, that flour was a thickener. That's what the flour did to this, is to make it thick. Okay, I gotta go check this chicken over here, y'all, but I do need to pour a little bit more in. And I'll stir some more when I come back. Okay, put a timer. Okay. And so basically this right here, you just drizzle this over your chicken. How nice does this look, y'all? Look at that. I'm just pouring a little bit in, just to thin it just a little bit. I keep looking at my time on my camera because y'all know it'll stop recording on me, so I better go ahead. So y'all see what I've done with this, okay? So at this point, I'm just kind of gonna let it hang out a little bit and just thicken up and just let it kind of simmer, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put it down on low, and if I need to go in and add any more of this broth in, I'll go ahead and add some now. But if I need to go and add any more in, I will certainly do so. It's just so it doesn't get too thick, because I want to be able to drizzle this or pour this over the chicken. Alright, you guys, so I'll see you all back with the finished product. Hey y'all, I am back. Alright, so I took the chicken out of the oven and I put it on this transfer plate here, this little platter here, and I went on and added the mushroom sauce on. And as I thought about it, I said, well, they wouldn't mind seeing that step, but here we go. This is just the remainder of that mushroom sauce, you guys, and I tell you, it is delicious. I had to taste the sauce to make sure it didn't need anything else. And it was just perfect. Alright, so here we have it, y'all. We put this here for now. Alright, this is our baked lemon chicken with mushroom sauce. Rinse my hands. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. The only thing that I added was a little bit of this parsley flakes to the mushroom sauce, you guys. And if you want, you could go ahead and add some on top, you know, just for, you know, nice little color. But this will be our Sunday, a part of our Sunday meal, you guys. What do you guys think? Does it look good to you guys? Alright, so if y'all are enjoying my videos, y'all please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell to be reminded of when I upload new videos. Now you guys, what I will do, I will taste a little bit for you. Let me get a saucer. I didn't get anything out. All right, you guys. I don't like to eat over my food now, so I have to, you know, push that back a little bit. All right, y'all. Here we go. That's the chicken. Okay. We'll taste it. It is good, y'all. Oh my goodness. And you know what? Y'all remember how I added that extra lemon juice to it? And not just use the juice from the lemon itself? And it's not too much. It's good. Y'all are going to like this. Oh my goodness. This is going to be delicious. Especially with the, I didn't get a piece of mushroom. But let me get a mushroom real quick. I use my knife to get it, not my fork. Okay, let me try a mushroom. I love mushrooms. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, this is good. Y'all are gonna be happy with this. Alright. Y'all need to try this, okay? But you all, it's getting late here. So, I want to go ahead and end my video. Thank you all so much for watching my channel. Y'all have a good night. Bye.